How to make a door into a porch swing. After a long, cold winter, the prospect of spending a lazy summer afternoon on a front porch swing is quite enticing. However, the cost of buying a pre-made swing is high and may deter you from making the purchase. Making your own porch swing is a less expensive option and requires little effort. Using old doors or those purchased from the hardware store, you can create your own swing and be relaxing in it before the weekend is done. Things you will need: 2 solid core doors, circular saw, medium grit sandpaper, wood glue, 4-inch wood screws, screwdriver, 4-inch eye bolts, 8, drill, wall anchors optional, 4-inch eye hooks, 2, 4.5-inch carabiners, 4, rustless, black garden chain, 3-inch S-hooks, 2. Cut 2 doors into a 21 by 49 inch piece for the swing S back and a 19.5 by 49 inch piece for the swing S seat, using a circular saw. The width depends on the door you choose. Use a solid wood door, not a hollow core door. Cut 2 pieces of door measuring 19.5 by 1 inches to create the arms of the swing. Sand all cut edges with medium grit sandpaper. Place the seat piece flat on your work surface. Set the back piece on its width side and place it flush against the back edge of the seat. Apply wood glue where the pieces meet. Make sure the edges are flush and secure the 2 pieces together, using 4-inch wood screws. Put the screws through the back of the seat back into the edge of the swing S seat. Place 1 screw every 6 inches. Turn the swing onto its back so the seat is perpendicular to your work surface. Place the arm pieces against either side of the swing. Align the arms so they rest against the back edge of the swing S back and the bottom edge of the swing S seat. Apply wood glue where the pieces meet. Secure the arms in place by inserting a 4-inch wood screw through the arm pieces into the edges of the back and seat piece. Space the screws every 6 inches. Insert a 4-inch long eye bolt into the side of the swing S arm. Place the bolt through the arm into the swing S seat, 2 inches in from the back edge. Place a second eye bolt directly above the first, 2 inches below the top edge of the arm. Place a third eye bolt through the arm into the swing S seat, 2 inches in from the front edge. Place a fourth eye bolt directly above the third, 2 inches below the top edge of the arm. Repeat the process on the other arm, using 4 more 4-inch long eye bolts with the same spacing. Drill 2 pilot holes into the ceiling of the porch where you want to hang the swing. Place the pilot holes into a cross beam if possible. If not, insert a wall anchor into the holes. Wall anchors expand when you insert a screw into them, holding the screws firmly in the ceiling. Twist a 4-inch eye hook into each of the 2 pilot holes. Place a 4.5-inch carabiner on the end of a 40-inch length of black, rustless garden chain. Attach the carabiner to one of the 4 eye bolts on the bottom edge of the swing. Feed the other end of the chain through the eye bolt above it. Repeat the process with 3 more carabiners and 4 more 40-inch lengths of rustless garden chain, using the other 3 sets of eye bolts. Bring the 2 pieces of chain together on one side of the swing. Feed a 3-inch S-hook through the top link of the 2 chains to secure them together. Repeat the process on the other side of the swing with a second S-hook. Attach the other end of each S-hook to another link of rustless garden chain. The length of the chain depends on what height you want the swing hanging. Attach the 2 lengths of chain to the eye hooks inserted into the porch S ceiling.